Let's look at these two problems because this is going to help you on your Delta Math assignment today. So remember our notes from yesterday where we solved systems using the matrix in our calculator. So our matrix has to be written in this form. So I went ahead and wrote this above it. AX plus BY equals C. If it's in that form, then we can put it in the matrix just like that, your coefficients. So the first one is good. The second one is not. We got to get this to say AX BY equals C. So we've got to move it. Anytime, go ahead and draw your line down your equal sign. Anytime you move something across the line, you have to change its sign. Move across the line, change the sign. So I need to move this 2y over to the other side. But remember, we can't combine an x and a not x. We can't combine an x and a y. So we are just rearranging. We're not even doing any math, only rearranging. So we have x plus 2y equals, these cross out.
0.
Yeah, good job. So now we have our two systems where we can write our original matrix, put it in the calculator, and get our output matrix. So I'm going to write it over here. So the first matrix is -7 because it's the A, or first row, I should say, -10 and then 40. And then the other one, it's going to be 1, 2, and 0. Okay, so you'll do the REF and find the solution. You can write your output matrix. So let's go to our calculator. We're going to clear out the memory to begin with, because we want a fresh new calculator. Second plus 712. We're going to do all of our steps from our notes from yesterday. If you need to, open up your notes so you can follow the steps. If you remember them, great. Second, matrix. Over to math. Down to RREF. Alpha zoom. Make sure it's a 2x3. Push enter. Put these numbers in. Okay, you should have the same thing as me. So then write your output matrix. I know it's a lot in a tiny little area, but we can do it. So then our solution is the x comma y. So our solution on this was -20, 10. So as you're doing your Delta Math assignment today, you can look back on this one so you can remember what to do. We do have two problems today, though. We have this other one. So let's look at that one. See, the first equation's not written as xy equals a number. It's x equals a y minus a number. The first one's just fine. So you can go ahead and write your first matrix row, but it's the second one that we have to change. I think it's supposed to be -31 actually. Sorry, I forgot my 31. Don't forget yours too. It was sitting out here. I didn't realize what it was. Okay, and then this one we have to rearrange. So we have x equals 10y minus 4. It needs to be ax plus by equals c. So which one is on the wrong side? Y'all tell me. Which one's on the wrong side? Wrong side of the track. You don't want to be on the wrong side of the tracks.
10y.
Yeah. 10y. So we got to move it to the other side. So minus 10y. When you move it across, you got to change your sign. So x minus 10y equals negative 4 now. So we're not doing any math. All we're doing is rearranging. And just remember, across the line, change the sign. So now, this is in the right order. X, y equals a number. So the coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is negative 10. And then it equals negative 4. So go ahead and do that one. Put it in your calculator in the matrix. And write your output matrix. Did you get the same thing as me? Okay, so this is our solution. So we did both problems now. Your assignment is to do a Delta Math assignment of 14 problems. For each of the problems, I do need you to write things down. So I'm going to pass out some paper, but on each problem, look up here. I'm going to have you write the original problem, write the matrix, write the output matrix, and the solution on the 10 problems for that. Then there's 5 graphing or finding the solution from the graph. You can use Desmos on that.